I am Janhavi Panwar. Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new over here, then welcome to my channel. This is class 4 of my English for Beginners series, and let's get started. So again, the overview वही सेम रहेगा कि मैं इसमें ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश में ही बात करूँगी ताकि आपकी लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस भी हो. सिंपल स्लो इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, सारी चीज़ें आपको लिखी हुई मिलेंगी, so it's not going to be any problem for you to understand whatever I'm saying. तो बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से हम लोग इस वीडियो में क्या सीखने जा रहे हैं. We're going to learn about how to use is, am, are. Guys, listen to me and listen to this good, okay? These three, they are the backbone of English language. अगर आपके पास ये तीन चीज़ें हैं, अगर आपको पता है इन तीनों चीज़ों को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, कैसे situations में यूज़ करते हैं, then you're good to go. I mean, your basic English, yeah, great going. All right, perfect. Before this, if you guys have still not watched class 1, class 2, class 3, then I'd recommend you guys to watch all of those classes so that you can understand this one better. क्योंकि जो चीज़ें मैं already पढ़ा चुकी हूँ उन्हें मैं बार बार discuss नहीं करूँगी in order to not waste our time. So now let's get started. How to use is, am, are. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, सिर्फ दो चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है. एक आपका subject मतलब कि आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी जानवर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दैट्स योर सब्जेक्ट. उसके साथ एक वर्ब लगती है कि हाँ कि for example how we use in Hindi, right? Like if there are a lot of people, तो आप उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? थे, था is singular, थे is plural. So इस तरीके से we have verbs. Now also one more thing, मैं हर वीडियो में ये बोलती हूँ कि grammar is not that important. I always say this. पर मैं साथ में ये भी बोलती हूँ कि अगर आप पूरे ही beginner हैं, बिल्कुल ही आप बेसिक से सीख रहे हैं, and you're like 15 plus, then yes, you do need to familiarize yourself with English ताकि आपको बेसिक चीज़ों का, बिल्कुल बेसिक ग्रामर का पता हो, आपके पास अवेयरनेस हो. And this is why we are learning this rule because it's very important. Alright, तो एक subject है, एक verb है. इस साइड सारे subject लिखे हुए आएंगे, इस साइड verb लिखे हुए आएंगे. So is, am, are, these are verbs. Okay, let's get started. Subject number 1 is I. I के साथ we use the verb am. Perfect. Then we have you. You मतलब कि आप. So you के साथ you use the verb are. Then the subject we have we मतलब हम. We के साथ you use the verb are again. Then the next subject we have they मतलब कि वो, बहुत सारे, they. So they के साथ you use the verb are again. Then we have he, she, or it. So he, she, he for a male, she for a female, or it for any animal. Okay? He, she, it. We use the verb is with he, she, or it. Perfect? So this is the table. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Perfection. अब आपको एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है. Am जो है, you always use it with I. Is, you use it with singular things. Singular. Are, you use for plural things. दो चीज़ें, एक से ज़्यादा, plural. Perfect. I've already talked about this in class number 2, so make sure to go watch that if you guys still have not. So this is the chart. Perfect. तो अब हम इन्हें use करेंगे sentences में, because as I always say, English, it's not about memorizing, it's about understanding. So let's understand. Understand हम कैसे करेंगे जब हम इन्हें sentences में use करेंगे. So let's focus on some simple sentences. All right. Number 1, I am learning English. Perfect. I am learning English. You are learning English. आप सीख रहे हो English. So you are learning English. They are learning English. वो सीख रहे हैं. They are learning English. We are learning English. We are learning English. He is learning English. He is learning English. Perfect. ये थे simple sentences. अब बात करते हैं negative sentence की. What are negative sentences? जिसमें वो word आ जाता है ना कि not, no, मतलब कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. So that is a negative sentence. So sentence number 1 is I am not sad. I am not sad. इसमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ का आपको ध्यान रखना है. आपकी verb क्या है? Am, is and are. इसके बाद बस आपको not लगाने देना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना. सिर्फ verb के बाद you use the word not. Sentence negative हो जाएगा. Alright? I am not sad. He is not playing. He is not playing. They are not happy. They are not happy. It is not barking. It is not barking. Also, don't come in my comment section and say, what if she's a male? What if he's a female? I don't help with that stuff, okay? I don't go with that stuff. Don't do that. All right, I am a very simple one at that, because there was a person and he literally got so mad and said, how can you assume the gender of a dog? So that was bad. So yeah, I don't really go with that stuff, so don't do that, please. Perfect. Negative sentence हो गए. So after your verb you use the word not. अब बात करते हैं फाइनल सेंटेंस, योर क्वेश्चंस. अगर अब आपको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करने हैं के साथ, तो आप क्वेश्चन कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे? वेरी सिंपल. अभी हम क्या कर रहे थे? वी वर यूजिंग सब्जेक्ट देन वर्ब. पहले सब्जेक्ट यूज करा, फिर हमने वर्ब यूज करी. फॉर क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू फ्लिप इट. यू आर गोइंग टू यूज योर वर्ब फर्स्ट एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज योर सब्जेक्ट. परफेक्ट. वर्ब पहले, सब्जेक्ट बाद में. सो द थिंग इज, अगर आपको पूछना हो कि क्या मैं लेट हूँ, सो यू आर गोइंग टू से am I late? So it's verb, subject. Am I late? Are they playing? Are they playing? Is she studying? Is she studying? Are we going to the party? Are we going to the party? See, very simple, right? Now let me give you some practice sentences. Obviously, I have a test for y'all. So you need to comment down below like what verbs you're going to be using in these sentences. Sentence number 1 is I space sleepy. I space sleepy. Sentence number 2 is they space in class. They space in class. Sentence 3 is he space my cousin. He space my cousin. Sentence number 4 is you space not reading. You space not reading. Sentence number 5 is space she playing. Space she playing with a question mark, of course. So comment down below what you will be using in all of these sentences, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want an expanded version of all of these classes, then all of that is available on my website janhavipanwar.com, where I have a course of basic English. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye everyone, stay safe.